In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Grok Imagine experience safely and effectively. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to shape the way Grok Imagine responds to you while staying within community guidelines and terms of use. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Grok homepage. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left of the interface and click the profile icon. This opens your personal panel where you can access all the controls that relate to your account and preferences. From here, select Settings. Think of Settings as your control center. It's where you'll verify your account details and tailor how the system behaves for you. Next, go to the Account section. Take a moment to make sure your account information is accurate and up to date. If you need to adjust your birth year or any other personal detail, use the Change option, then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. It's important to provide correct information so features are set appropriately for you and you remain compliant with the platform's rules. When the confirmation screen appears, choose Continue to apply those updates. Now, let's shape your creative experience. Navigate to Customize. This is where you can create or adjust an agent, which is essentially a personalized profile that guides tone, style, and workflow. Choose to create a new agent or edit an existing one. Give your agent a clear, memorable name so you can find it later without confusion. In the instructions field, describe how you want the agent to behave. For example, you might tell it to be concise, to prioritize clarity, to prefer certain visual styles, or to focus on educational, professional, or artistic results. The more specific and constructive your guidance, the better the outputs will align with your goals. When you're satisfied with the description, click Save. That locks in your preferences and makes them available the next time you start a session with that agent. If you ever run into messages that indicate something can't be generated, try refining your prompt to emphasize intent, context, and artistic direction. Use precise descriptors, reference style guides or time periods, and keep requests aligned with the platform's acceptable use policies. This not only helps you get better results, it also keeps your account in good standing. To wrap up, you visited the Grok site, opened your profile, adjusted account settings where appropriate, and used Customize to create an agent with clear, responsible instructions. Revisit these settings anytime to fine-tune your experience, and remember to log out on shared devices. Thanks for watching and happy creating.